In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your permanently deleted Facebook account after 30 days. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to recover your permanently deleted Facebook account after 30 days, what you need to do is to open your internet browser, and in the search bar, you need to type facebook.com/support and click on search. Now click on this back icon, then click on account settings. Now scroll down and below this was this helpful tab, select no and then click on other. Okay, now in this box you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to write down that you want to recover your permanently deleted Facebook account. Personally, I would suggest that you just copy paste the paragraph that I have given in the description below. At the end of the paragraph, don't forget to mention the email address that was linked with your Facebook account. Once you have done that, tap on submit. And after you click on submit, within the next 24 hours, your deleted Facebook account will be recovered. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.